right, guys, we're here at Crown Concepts checking out their amazing facility. A lot of cool cars here. So I'm gonna hand it off to Chris. He's gonna walk us through their facility and show us some of the cool stuff going on.
Hey, I'm Chris from Crown Concepts. We're in our facility here in Tucson, Arizona, 21,000 square feet. We do a lot here. We build custom cars, RestoMods, restorations. We buy, sell, and consign collector vehicles and race cars. And we also maintain track cars for the local tracks here, Apex Motor Club and Indy Motorsport Ranch. So let's take a look around, and this is the showroom. A car that we just finished building here is a 1968 Shelby GT 500. This was a full frame-off RestoMod build, so it's got custom interior, upgraded independent rear suspension, upgraded front Mustang suspension. Everything's pretty much been gone through. This was built for a customer. He's got a couple more Mustangs in line to do next, so we're really excited about those projects. Behind us, up here on the top, we have some historical race cars, an original 1964 289 Shelby Cobra, a Boss 302, a 69 and a 70 Boss 302 Trans Am cars that were run in the 69-70 seasons. So those are pretty special. We like those a lot.
You can see kind of like 60s technology, you know, that's a mostly stock bodied car. A lot of like kind of factory suspension pickup points, but all the little tricks. And then right underneath it is just a full-blown modern race car with, you know, just purpose-built. Yeah. So we've come a long way.
Definitely.
It's so awesome to see everything in a facility like this. And then that is just so special. A real Shelby is just not something you see every day. So
what we love about having that here in the shop is that we're a Superformance dealer and installer. So we build Superformance Cobras like daily. We have a couple going on right now. We just shipped one out today, you guys saw. So it's really cool to have that here as like a reference point for when customers come in and see it and they're like, oh, that's a real one. Is that real or a kit? And we're like, no, that's a real one.
Yeah, I mean, being able to physically see, you know, how it was is a huge advantage. I mean, not everybody gets that, but it's incredible. You just have it here, and yeah. So we're back in the workshop area. I'm gonna let them talk a little bit about everything that they do here. It's such a unique facility, and you can see they work on all kinds of different stuff. You can hear the guys grinding away there. I'll let them talk a little bit about what they got going on.
So this is the shop side. In this front area here, we do a lot of the performance and race car maintenance. On this side, you can see we're a Radical Sports Cars authorized service center, so a lot of those come to us from the local tracks. It's the off season right now, so there's not a lot in here. And then we also we're building a new Superformance Shelby Cobra here. On the other side back there, we do powder coating. We have a machine shop, and we do our RestoMods on that side. So you can see a 69 GS 400 getting built right now, and then a 62 Willys Jeep truck. Those are that's again, the variety of things that we work on. Yeah. So everything from purpose-built race cars to 62 off-road Jeeps.
Yeah, just in this space, it's like covering all the bases. There's a muscle car, a Jeep, you know, Cobras, race cars. That's so neat. So we're still walking through, and it just never ends. This facility's got so much cool stuff. You see more bays, more cars getting worked on, a lot of fabrication stuff. The shop is immaculate, which is awesome. And then they even have a dyno, so it just got everything basically.
Yeah, I mean, even besides the buy, sell, consign, maintenance, and RestoMods, we do performance tuning and just like installation stuff for people, for locals like street cars and stuff, race cars, everything.
So cool, yeah, one-stop shop. I love it. Well, it's been really great. Thanks a lot to Crown Concepts for having us. It's a beautiful facility. Couldn't thank you guys enough. I mean, you guys got a lot of special stuff going on. If you're in the Tucson area and you haven't checked them out yet, you got to check them out. But thank you so much for having us.
Thanks for coming in.
Can't wait to come back. And if you guys, like I said, if you're in the Tucson area, check them out. They have events all the time, so get on board with it.